This is a website I created, which also serves as an interactive and engaging tool for the audience. Page 1 displays seemingly practical but actually unreliable life hacks. Page 2 runs a program-based information storage database. When users search for information, a pop-up may return either a correct or incorrect answer, adding uncertainty and interactivity. Page 3 features a real-name IP survey, from which the database sources its information. We often see many people compare the complex network world to the universe, the neural network of the brain, the natural ecosystem, or the transportation system of the city. The reason why complex network information needs to be described in a metaphorical way is that it goes beyond simple linear logic and is full of dynamic changes and multidimensional relationships. Therefore, when we humans get information from the internet, we inevitably spend more time to discern its authenticity. Data shows that people who use the internet to collect information will almost encounter false information and misleading content. This type of information can be harmful, especially to those who may not be familiar with using the internet. The internet has brought convenience to modern society, and it is undeniable that when we look for information, we want to get more accurate answers. Many people often encounter fragmented information that lacks logical coherence during the search process. This may be due to receiving incorrect or misleading information that causes them to lose their research direction. This is a major drawback, and this situation is becoming more and more common in modern society. We must admit that in our advanced network society, the pros and cons need to be analyzed together. And think deeply about our behavioral habits of using the internet. The name of this project is Emotional Computed Tomography, which is a medical scenario. In reality, everyone faces different situations and has different psychological conditions. The mental illness of some patients with mental illness can only be observed through their behavioral performance after exposure for a certain period of time. If they do not receive timely treatment after a long time, which can lead to the possibility of serious consequences for many mental illnesses. However, trauma and physiological injuries have a very convenient way to obtain pathology in the medical development of today's society, and quickly solve pain and problems. So I think the pain of mental illness can manifest in another way.
Hi, this is Chronic Human Health. In human daily life, the pigment additives contained in many products can harm our health. This project aims to raise awareness and encourage people to consume fewer foods that contain artificial coloring additives, such as candies, frostings, drinks, and other visually appealing but potentially harmful foods. First, I gathered news reports and scientific articles about the negative effects of artificial colorants on human health. I then combined these with images of visually attractive foods containing such additives and assembled them into a puzzle-like composition to create an engaging visual experience for the audience. Additionally, I used real food packaging and color additives to create a collage series. This video showcases my process of pouring pigment and dyes onto a white human-shaped installation. I also used 3D modeling to create a set of human organ models, rendered them, and projected the organ models onto the human body model. This formed a secondary installation, integrating 3D visual design into the project.
Finally, here is my AR skateboard test along with some videos of other works. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you enjoy it, and I welcome your interaction. Wishing you all the best.